chicken chores with a newborn. First we get the hat, then the shades, and the egg basket. Let's go, buddy. Little man is 5 weeks old. You ready to collect some eggs? Everyone's got fresh food and water. Start with the mini eggs. Hello, ladies. And Elvis. How you guys doing? My favorite little pom-pom. Unfortunately, there's been a coyote around, so no free ranging today. Look at these beauties. These Moran eggs are my favorite right now. We'll have to keep it short and sweet for Waylon's first day at chicken chores, or he might not come back tomorrow. That's a wrap.